The last warehouse sale at WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet in Chipley, Florida went so well that the manager said, "Let's do it again." So WestPoint Home is now offering sheets, towels, comforters, pillows, and household accessories, all at huge discounts. And the prices at this fall warehouse sale have got to be seen to be believed, with 60% off all clearance items and 40% off everything else in the store. Thursday, October 8th through Monday, October 12th, 2020, allowing you to get ready for the holiday season and freshen your home with bright, clean colors and patterns, with brand names including Southern Tide, Izod, Martex, and Velux. From blankets and throws to plush comforters, bath towels, sheets, shower curtains, and more. All at huge discounts off the regular low prices. Now is one of your best opportunities to give your home a fall makeover without breaking the bank. It's the WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet Fall Warehouse Sale with 60% off all clearance items and 40% off everything else in the store. Thursday, October 8th through Monday, October 12th, 2020. Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120. And let the savings begin.